My name is Angel Garcia. I'm the founder and president of AJ Machining. We've been in business for about 39, 40 years. When I first started the company, I was a machinist. One thing to another led into fabrication. 2011, that's when I really realized, I go, wow, we need to get better. So we got the first lights out laser from Amara. From there, it's like, okay, the next step, the next step, the next step, the next step. Our company has always been a priority to invest money and good machinery, good equipment, technology. And I want to say thank you, for getting us a new machine. And it changed a lot for us. It's a great machine. We had two different kinds of conversation with Eddie. Their lead time was over a year. Yours was 4 to 6 months. Pricing was 1/3 of the price. The first time I saw you here and I saw you guys working on it, and then you put one guy dedicated, just to be here with us. The first week, the second week, the third week, I go, wow, no one does that. So in a way, you are the way we are, as servicing the customer. So that's what you did. And we had a few discrepancies and you had somebody here right away. And that to me means a lot. I think we share the same plate in so many ways.